So today I got the Dash Air Popcorn Popper. I've had this one for a couple of years now, and I thought that I would do an update on it, especially since it's been so popular. The on-off switch, super simple. Dash logo. This one is the red model, but there are several different colors. And this part is removable, so you can easily get that open, clean it out. And this is used for a couple different things. You could use this for measuring the popcorn. You could also use this for melting butter. I don't do that. You can though. I would recommend cutting the butter into super small chunks though, because half the time it's not all melted unless you do. Now for popcorn for my kids, I usually just fill it right to the line and pour it in. Just let it go. Now after a couple minutes, we got popcorn. Of course, if you want more, just add more in there. And you can add your butter, whatever it is. But ultimately, the Dash popcorn maker works great. It has worked flawlessly for the last couple of years.